Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in on Apple Store. So first, in your iPhone, head over to either Chrome or Safari, whichever browser you're using. Now from here in the search bar, we're just going to search for Apple Store Trade In. Then press go. So now from here, we're just going to click on the Apple Trade-in link. Here in this page, you can see items, gadgets, or products from Apple that you can trade in from your old device. So from here, you can also see two ways in which you can trade in your Apple products. First is through online. So here are the steps to trade in your products online. So of course, you can view it on their website. You can also see your products trade-in value by clicking on Find Your Trade-in Value button. So first is select the device you're planning to trade in. Next is choose what brand is your product made of. It could be other brands as well, but say for example, we're going to pick Apple. And of course, the model of the iPhone. So say for example, iPhone 16. You will also be asked if your iPhone is in good condition. And lastly, of course, pick the new product that you would like to trade in your old device. And once you've decided, you can head over and send it via mail or through in person. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!